So students, let's start our today's class in which we are going to discuss again the same chapter as a conclusion. We will start with the very first heading, that is human resource. What is human resource? As you all know that resource are something which fulfill your needs. Okay, and human resource, what is human resource? Humans are also resources as they develop resources as per their requirements. By taking example, you know that wood is a natural resource, and human beings, when they use their skills, technologies and equipments to convert that natural resource in some other resource of their use, like if they want to convert that wood into table or chair, so they are using that particular wood to convert into it in a table and chair. So like this, humans are also using their skills to convert a natural resource into man-made resources according to their use and according to their needs. Next main thing is your density of population. Okay, before explaining you the density of population, I would like to discuss with you the distribution of population. And बच्चे, distribution of population is uneven on the earth surface. As you all know that resources are also uneven. वो हर जगह पे evenly तो distributed नहीं है. Somewhere you are having iron ore, somewhere you are having mica ore. Fine. So like this, resources are distributed unevenly. Like that only, population are also uneven on the earth's surface. It's not compulsory that every area is having equal proportionate of population. Okay, and when we calculate population, you called it census, CENSUS. Census जो है, that is done for the calculation of population of any country, and it is done after every 10 year. जो आपका सेंसस होता है, जो पॉपुलेशन कैलकुलेशन होती है, वो आपकी होती है आफ्टर एवरी 10 ईयर. एवरी 10 ईयर में आपका जो पॉपुलेशन है वो कैलकुलेट होता है. Now we will discuss about the density of a population. Density means population, or we can say people in the number of people living in a unit area of earth surface. एक पर्टिकुलर यूनिट हम ले लेते हैं, पर स्क्वायर किलोमीटर के अकॉर्डिंग ये होता है आपका कि उस एरिया में जितने भी लोग वहाँ पे रहते हैं, वी कॉल्ड इट डेंसिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन. मीन्स it is less dense, it is more dense, means less dense means less people, more dense means more number of people are living in that particular area. This is called density. Okay, and average density of population in India, if we talk about the India na, so average density of population in India is 882% per square kilometer. जो हमारा एक पर स्क्वायर किलोमीटर है उसमें 382 पर्सन्स रहते हैं. फाइन, यू नो ना, देख पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया इज़ वेरी डेंस. इंडिया किस में आता है? डेंस पॉपुलेटेड कंट्री में आता है इंडिया हमारा. आफ्टर दैट वी ऑल्सो डिस्कस अबाउट द फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ पॉपुलेशन. That if we talk that distribution of population is uneven, so means what are the major factors which affect this uneven distribution of population, because of which why our population is not equal, means is not even. ठीक है. So here are some geographical factors. Other factors में आएगा हमारा social, cultural and economic factors. According to the geographical area, topography, climate, soil, water, mineral, these are included in the geographical factors which are related to the earth's surface. Okay, and social, cultural, economic, these are the factors which are related to the basic necessities and basic facilities which are requirement for the growth and development of human beings. Bache, am I audible to you all? Yes? Fine. Next, population change means Change in the number of people during a specific time is called your population change. It depends on the birth rate, death rate, and we also talk about the migration. Yesterday only I talked with you regarding the immigrants and emigrants. Okay, I hope that point is also clear to you. Now comes to the population pyramid. Population pyramid tell us that people living in that particular country, based on the basis of birth rate and death rate, we are comparing the situation and the population of a given country. There are some other things also on which we can calculate population pyramid, or we can convert that population in percentage form. Today the main important point which we are going to discuss is skilled persons, semi skilled persons. ठीक है, yesterday we talk about the dependent one. Fine. Today we will talk about the skilled, semi skilled and unskilled person, and role of these person in the growth and development of any country. That बच्चे, if we talk about the developed and developing country, so if we want to calculate that how many peoples are there who are skilled, ठीक है, skilled कितने हैं, unskilled कितने हैं, semi skilled कितने हैं, because if number of people are skilled, more people are skilled in any particular country, means that country is developed, means the people over there are, you know, means they are having much knowledge about the technology and equipments as compared to other country where we are having semi skilled workers or laborers. Semi skilled means they are having knowledge of equipments and tools, but if they are facing any issue and if they are facing any problem, then they need to take help of their senior. ठीक है, that is your semi skilled. Unskilled होता है when you don't have any particular specialization, when you don't have your particular degree for anything, but you need to do work to earn your livelihood. ठीक है, वो होता है आपका unskilled, when you don't have any knowledge about any particular tool, any particular equipment and machinery. Okay, so this is your skilled, unskilled and semi skilled. This also affect the, you can say, development of any country. Okay, basically here there is a word infant. ठीक है, infancy यहाँ पे एक word है आपका. The child are born, a large percentage of them die in their infancy. Infancy means children up to the age of 1 year. 1 year तक का जो किड होता है हम उसको इन्फेंट में काउंट करते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये जो हमारा डेथ रेट है धीरे धीरे जो डिक्रीज होता जा रहा है, ये किसके बिहाफ पे है, मीन्स मैनी किड्स आर डाई इन देयर इन्फेंसी. ठीक है, मीन्स टिल 1 year. आफ्टर दैट सम आर died in at young as adult, and many more are died as senior citizens. So like this death rate are showing. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर जापान का जो बर्थ रेट है, इफ़ इट इज़ गुड, मीन्स health conditions and equipments are more advanced over there, doctors are more qualified, people who are using, you can say, nutrition food, they are using it in with a good value and with a good quality. ठीक है, अगर डेथ रेट अगर कम होती है तो वहाँ पे जो हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज़ है मे बी दे आर मोर एडुकेट. फाइन, बट इट्स नॉट दैट पीपल ओवर देयर आर डाइंग एट द एज ऑफ above 65, or we can say senior citizens. Infant are also there, adults are also there. ठीक है, so by the death rate we can calculate, or we can assume that health facilities are much more better in that particular country. Okay, rest the things we have already discussed. Okay, so this class is like your conclusion of this chapter. So this was all about your today's class, बच्चे. If you are having any doubt and any query, so you can consult with me. Thank you so much.